Hey guys, I heard that you guys are struggling with arithmetic operations of addition and subtraction. Well, let's go through it again. In this video, I'll be talking about decimal, binary, octal, and also hexadecimal. Alright, ready? Let's go. So, the first off, decimal. It's unreliable. We use it in our daily lives. It's the most commonly used number system. It only consists of 10 single digit numbers, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Alright, so for addition, the example I've given is 256 plus 128. So 6 plus 8 is 14. So we only write down 4 and then carry the 1 over to the 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 plus 1, which equals to 8. Now 2 plus 1 will be equal to 3. And we get 384. So next up is subtraction. So the example I've given for subtraction is 473 minus by 395. So we know that the number 3 is too small to be subtracted by 5. So we have to borrow from 7, which means 7 will be equal to 6 and 3 will be equal to 13. So 13 minus 5 is 8. And we know that now 6 cannot be subtracted by 9 because it's far too small. So we have to borrow from 4. So after borrowing from 4, 4 will be 3 and 6 will be 16. So 16 minus 9 will be 78. So that's the answer. Alright, that's all you need to know about decimal. So what's next? Next up is binary. This is saying there are only 10 types of people, those who understand binary and those who do not. So what's a binary? A binary, a number system that only consists zeros and ones. Ones and zeros can be interpreted as yes and no or on and off. And computers can only understand binary. So you can write 1010 based off number 2. That's how you write a number in a binary system. Alright, next up is addition for binary. So for binary, the example I've given is 11011 plus 10111. Right, so 1 plus 1 will be 0. Carry forward 1, 111 will equal to be 1. And then carry forward 1, 1 plus 1, 1, 0 again. 1 plus 1, 0 again. 1 plus 1 plus 1 will be 1 and then carry forward 1. And then the final answer is 110010. Alright, next up is subtraction. The example given is 1101 minus by 1111. Alright, so remember that during subtraction, if it's not enough, like 0 can't be minus by 1, right? So I have to borrow. When you're borrowing it, you can write it as 10 or 2. If you're easily confused, write 2, but if you're used to it, you can use 10. So the final answer for this question is 1110. Alright, next up is octal, a number system that consists of 8 digits, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So how to write an octal now? It's easy, it's just 1, 2, 4, base 8, that's all. Alright, so for octal, remember that every time you add something, it can only go up to 7. Once it goes up to 8, you have to minus by 8, and then you have to do a carry 1 over to the next number. That's why the total for this is 601. So for subtraction, it's quite different. When a number is smaller than the one that it's trying to subtract, when you're borrowing it, you're only going to borrow 8 because it's octal, so you're only going to borrow 8. That's why 0 will turn to 8 after borrowing, and the final answer for this is 153. So hexadecimal, the number system, consists of 16 digits. After number 9, 10 till 15 are all letters. So for addition, the question is 3 of A plus BC. So you have to add A plus C first, which is 10 plus 12, which is equal to 6. And every time it's over 16, you need to minus by 16. So after minus by 16, you get 6, and you have to carry forward 1. So next up is F plus B plus 1 equals to 15 plus 11 plus the carry forwarded 1, which is now equal to 27. Now 27 you have to minus by 16 again, and will be equal to 11, and 11 is actually B. So you have to carry forward 1 again. So and then 3 plus 1, 4. So the answer is 4b6. Next up to subtraction, which is 2cd minus f4. So d minus 4 is easy. 13 minus 4 equals to 9. But c can't minus by f, so you need to borrow from 2. When you borrow from 2, you gotta add 16 to it. So 16 plus c minus f equals to 16 plus 12 minus 15, which is equal to 13. When it's equal to 13, it's equal to d. And then since you already borrowed from 2, now it's left 1. So 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. So the answer is 1d9.